Thutha wa gikuo kia njorua ya ihenya ria kilomita 10 Agnes Tirop na kiria kirahahurire thi yothe, kiama kia Athletics Kenya riu nikiuritie aria mararumanira na ndeto ino guteng'erio thuthuria na nigetha kihoto kionekane.
We are confident the relevant agencies are working round the clock to ensure speedy justice to the family and friends who have been left emotionally scared by the demise of someone they depended on for financial and psychological support.
Akiaria na andiki a mohoro umuthi, President wa AK Jackson Tuwei augite mirimu ya meciria ni ongererekete na njira nene kuri athaki, guku akiuga ati kiambiriria-ini kia mweri wa Dithemba ni mathondekete kamiti ya kwaraniria na athaki.
Athletics Kenya calls for more attention to the sports industry with a view to reaching out and helping sports persons. They need to be sensitized on how to handle life's challenges, how and where to access mental health services.
Ateng'eri tene na aria maritaire guteng'era ona riu ni megukuruhanio ni undu wa gutara mbeu njithi na muno makiria nigetha makorwo magihurana na mathiina maria mari kuo.
You see, the old athletes, the old retired athletes are very helpful in attending to some of these issues because they have got their own experiences, they have got their own ways of looking at things. They are very stable in their own areas where they are staying. One is here already.
Gukiri uguo makereka maihenya ria Machakos oro umwe na iten ma cross country ni marugamitio gwa kahinda ga ciumia igiri thutha wa gikuo gia Tirop.